Some people may consider this to be toxic, and this is probably going to be a very controversial thing to say, but in my opinion, the best way to make sure that your stomach stays flat is to...
I live for the body, the glam, and the vibes. I like my hair long, jet black, and natural. I keep my stomach flat, waist tiny, curves popping. I count my calories, my inches, and my blessings. 4C hair, dark skin, 5'4". You ready, honey? Let's go. Lovies, I got a new place, and yes, I'm gonna give you a tour. This is my sanctuary. I love it here. I'm so happy, and I'm going to decorate it so beautifully. I'm gonna take you with me on a night out. I'll show you how I get glam and how I style my long and pretty 4C hair. Honey, I love to look good and I love to cook. I'm gonna show you what I meal prep for the week and how I do it so I keep my stomach flat. I did my hair while he built my furniture. Henna, anybody? I'll show you. My first time in Virginia, not impressed. Sorry. I woke up one day, decided to throw out all of my old furniture, and hired some random men to move it, and this disaster happened. Come grocery shopping with me. I can give you pageant girl, sporty girl, and baby girl, and in this vlog, you're gonna get it all, honey. I'm for the girlies who love the glam, love to stay in shape, and love cooking, and most importantly, we love our natural hair and we want it long, pretty, and healthy. We're not shallow, we just like to look and feel good. Welcome to episode 2 of the 4C Diaries. I woke up one day and I decided to win. I decided to better myself. Longer hair, flatter stomach, better diet, healthier mindset, better place, better vibes, better life. I know you all seen the last vlog, but I filmed that in early December. You guys really haven't seen me for 5 months, and I'm just a different person now. I'm on a new wave. I lost 40 pounds, my stomach is super flat, I'm at my high school weight, I still have all of my natural curves, yes natural. This is me at the age of 13, this is me at the age of 15, my body is real. A couple of people asked in a snarky way, saying, oh, you have nice hair, but is your body real? Yes, my hair and my body are real. And to those people, I suggest that you learn to love yourself. When you truly love yourself, you won't try and bring others down. And my hair, oh my god, you guys, I've been using a new hair growth oil with a new ingredient that I never thought to use before, and it is working wonders. Like, my hair is growing so fast. I can't wait to share it with you all. You guys are just gonna love it. And believe it or not, I'm a social butterfly now. I don't even know how this happened. Like, I'm the queen of the introverts. Jet black baby. I love jet black hair on dark skin. This will always be my aesthetic, honey.
Me and my friend are meeting up at a cafe. I absolutely love cafe hopping. I love doing my work in cafes. I love just chilling in cafes. Getting dressed up all cute and just going to a cafe and doing my work remotely is like the best thing in the world to me. We originally were planning on going to a cafe in DC, but she's going to be getting off of work pretty late today, so we needed to find a cafe that was open pretty late, and I found this really cute spot. It's called Corella, and I am going to take you all there.
I love a sexy, classy look. I went with no cleavage, a long skirt, and a long sleeve crop top with tan and gold accessories. In the back of the Uber now, and I just wanted to show you all my matching nails. You guys know I always stay with the French tips on my toes and on my fingernails, and it looks like we're almost here, so let's go, honey. Oh my god, I am early for once in my life. Everybody clap for me. So since I got there early, I decided to get a few clips of my outfit and my hair. I just love having big hair, and I get so many compliments and so much attention when I have my hair big like this. I wear my hair big and blow dried for a week before I flat iron it and then put it in a bun. So the food here was amazing. I only ordered fried calamari and a Caesar salad, but I really enjoyed what I got. The calamari was about 240 calories and the Caesar salad was about 180 calories. I do count my calories. I eat about 1,600 calories a day. Oh my god, last night was crazy. So I planned for somebody to come build my furniture, but honey, I still had to henna my hair, okay? And I hate this shirt because this is top heavy girl problems. If we don't have a cinched shirt or a crop top, it looks like we're pregnant. Anyway, so I hired this guy to come build my furniture, and while he was building my furniture, I did my henna. I absolutely love henna. Henna is something that I highly recommend, and yes, it does help to keep my hair long, thick, and healthy, but I've actually been using a hair growth oil, which I have mentioned to you all before. A couple of people sent me DMs accusing me of gatekeeping it. I am not gatekeeping my hair growth oil. I will release it soon. Later in the video, I'll give you all a tour of my apartment and the furniture. I follow my intuition, and the night before, I decided to get rid of all of my old energy in my apartment. I got rid of my old furniture, and I hired some men to come move it to the dumpster in the back that same night. And they didn't have a trolley. It was a hot mess, but I ended up tipping them extra because I felt like they did such a good job. Of course, it is the return of the angel bun. Watch me get ready for VA, and I'm gonna tell you what I eat. Such a nerd.
So I eat about 1,600 to 1,700 calories a day.
My main focus for breakfast is to get a lot of vitamin C and a little bit of protein. For lunch, it's not that big of a deal for me, some protein and vegetables. Dinner, I take seriously because I get very hungry. And as you can tell, I really do like to eat. I like my dessert. I didn't come to this life to suffer. I'm going to enjoy my food and have a good time.
Do not compare yourself to other people. Comparison is the thief of joy.
Just be the healthiest version of yourself and make that your standard of what a beautiful body is, okay?
I'm going to go put some earrings on and then I'm out the door.
This is the first time I'm wearing this particular YSL bag out and I'm loving it.
Very chill cafe hopping vibes today. Let's go!
My bun is actually about 2 weeks old and I just redid the curls. I hopped on the road to go to Virginia. I'm driving to Virginia to go to a specialty bra boutique. I am a woman with a large bust size and a small waist / rib cage. So I do have to go to specialty stores to find ones that fit me well. I know many of you have sent me DMs asking me to make videos on this, but it is a very intimate topic and I really do want to help other women that are shaped like me and are having issues finding the right bras, but it's just like, it's so personal. Oh my god, apartment tour, but first let's take a look at my old apartment. So my old apartment was beautiful. It was a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. I loved the theme that I went with for that apartment. It was like golden foresty vibes and I loved it, but I feel like it was very heavy and I'm at a different place in my life. My life is just coming together so beautifully and I feel like this apartment is going to be a lot of glass, a lot of airy, oceanic, aquatic vibes. I decorate and design everything myself. I do not hire a team to do this for me. I literally meditate, I reach into my soul, I decide how I'm feeling, and I make sure to create an atmosphere that's going to bring me peace. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Yes, it is only me in here, but I just wanted some space to decorate. So what I just showed you is the master bedroom and the master bathroom, and here is the spare bedroom as well as the spare bathroom. I can't wait to decorate. I am so excited. Here's a sneak peek of what he built for me the other day. It's a glass coffee table and the glass desk. My desk chairs and my bar stools are white leather, and I just ordered a white leather reclining sofa, so that should be fun. Now honey, let's get to cooking, shall we?
Hi lovies, so I am so excited to be in my new place finally. I chose this place for so many reasons, but one of the main reasons why I chose this place is because of this beautiful center island, and I am so excited to be in here and finally cooking for you all. So this is what I love in this order, okay? My natural hair, fitness, and cooking. And I cannot wait to cook for you all so many amazing American and Nigerian dishes. And oh my god, we're just gonna have so much fun, and this is just the perfect place for me to display everything for you all. So today I'm going to start off with something that is very uncomplicated for people who just want to manage their weight or cut their calories down and still have a tasty but filling meal. Today is just going to be some baked spiced chicken with some broccoli and some garlic bread. It's going to be a very, very simple but healthy and filling meal that will help you reach your protein requirements for the day. And I'm also going to show you a Minnesota special. I'm going to show you how I make a Snicker salad, and yes, it is a salad, okay? Look, I went to LA and everybody there was just like teasing me because they said people from Minnesota are a little weird because we call everything a salad. Look, I don't care what it is. If you mix it up and you put it in a bowl together, it is a salad. You don't have to have lettuce in there for it to be a salad. And if you don't agree with me, I don't really care. You can go debate your mother. And I just have my hair up tucked away in a bun, a very cute bun. Also, you all, I just moved in here. I'm just getting the furniture in here. There is a bit of an echo. I just threw out my old furniture and I'm ordering new furniture and I'm getting it built. There is an echo in here, so just bear with me. All right, so let's get into this dish, shall we? So we've got our drumsticks here, and And I know some people may think this is extra, but I'm going to be using food gloves because, I don't know, I'm just a big germaphobe, I'm a big meat freak, and I'm going to be mixing up the chicken so with my hands to get the seasoning all over it. So go ahead and get yourself some food gloves.
I'm using drumsticks. I also do this with chicken thighs. I don't really recommend it with chicken breasts, but you could if you want.
Alright, so next I'm going to mix my seasonings all together. Using this complete seasoning is absolutely amazingly tasty. In here. Now next I'm going to go in with the cayenne pepper, and this measuring cup is a fourth of a cup. I'm only using about half of it, so it's going to come out to about an eighth. With the cayenne pepper, this is all, you know, up to you. I love my food very spicy. If you don't like spicy food, you might want to go easy on the cayenne pepper, just saying.
Next, I'm going to go in with about an eighth of a cup of seasoning salt, then a couple of dashes of garlic sea salt, love that. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite crushed red pepper flakes. I go crazy with this, I love it.
When it comes to cooking oil, I'm going to use this very sparingly. Cooking oil has a lot of calories. There are 120 calories per 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Take it easy, okay? We're going to put a little bit there, a little bit here. And honestly, I didn't even need to use all of it. I didn't even use half a tablespoon. I probably used a quarter of a tablespoon. So, all right, now that we've got our oil on our chicken, we're gonna put the gloves on, and then we're gonna mix it up, and then we are going to add the seasoning.
These drumsticks are huge. I know in the beginning of this video you all saw a clip of the drumsticks that I eat, and I don't really think you got an idea of how big they are. They are so filling and they're so lean, and honestly I feel like they're pretty low calorie. This is such a good low calorie meal that is gonna have you feeling full, because honey, I like to be full. Now let's just pop these in the oven, and I'm gonna show you all how to make a Snicker salad.
I know some people may consider this to be toxic, and this is probably going to be a very controversial thing to say, but in my opinion, the best way to make sure that your stomach stays flat is to always be aware that your stomach isn't. So I always wear crop tops whenever I'm in the house, so that whenever I walk past a mirror, I am consciously aware of what my body is looking like. I am far less likely to binge on snacks or junk food or fast food or fried food or whatever if I'm consciously aware of the fact that my body needs to be in better shape. I think a lot of times, a lot of people run away from the scale, they run away from looking in the mirror and seeing their true figure for what it is. If a lot more people were conscious and aware of what they look like, they would be far less likely to binge, and they would take their diet a lot more seriously. One thing that I just absolutely do not tolerate is when I see people making fun of other people for their weight. Number one, you don't know if somebody's struggling with an illness. Number two, I'm sure you have other insecurities that may not be as physically obvious as somebody who is overweight, but it's just very disgusting to pick on somebody who's trying to lose weight. You don't know if their doctor told them they cannot work out. You don't know if their medication is making them gain weight. Cannot stress enough how important it is to be a good person, and to always remember that no position is permanent. Whether that applies to you and you are overweight and you want to get fitter and you want to be healthier and you want to look your best, remember, no position is permanent and you can elevate yourself. Also, that applies to you if you are in the best shape of your life and you look amazing. No position is permanent. You never know what life is going to throw you, so don't make fun of or pick on somebody who is overweight just because you want to find a way to feel superior and feel good about yourself. It's not cool. One of the main reasons why I feel like a lot of people gain weight is because they do not plan their meals. You don't necessarily have to meal prep for 7 days just like I do, but if you are struggling before every meal thinking, oh my goodness, what am I going to eat? That's kind of setting yourself up for a disaster, when you should just plan your meals accordingly, at least before you start your day, so that you know what calories you're going to consume.